Today on Chloe's Inbox. Hi Chloe, hihingi lang po ako ng advice. May boyfriend po ako and almost 10 months na kami pero hanggang ngayon, nagkaka-text pa rin sila ng ex niya. Hindi naman po niya nililihim sa akin na nagte-text sila at pag tinatanong ko kung ano ang pinag-uusapan nila, sabi niya nagkakamustahan lang naman daw sila. Hindi ko kasi nababasa ng buo ang conversation nila kasi yung iba ini-erase na niya at nag-uusap sila sa lengguaheng waray. Lagi naman niyang sinasabi na mahal niya ako pero nasasaktan pa rin ako. Ano po bang dapat kong gawin? Need ko po ng advice mo, please. Lagi po akong nakikinig sa'yo, Miss Karen. Hi, Miss Karen. Why? Aren't you good enough to talk to at naghahanap pa ng ibang kausap, si Boy Fee? At ex niya pa talaga at naniniwala ka naman na nagkakamustahan lang sila. Alam mo yung isang beses lang naman nakamustahan, okay lang yun eh. Pero kung lagi silang magkausap, naku, gagatungan pa talaga kita. Lagi silang magkausap tapos ini-erase niya pa. Bakit mo i-delete ang conversation nyo kung wala ka namang dapat itago doon? 'Di ba? Yun ang hindi ko maintindihan. Most of their conversation is waray, so you wouldn't understand. Well, I find it very unethical and, if he has nothing to hide, why would he delete some of the messages? It's not good to pretend you're okay when, you're really hurting. Kailangan sabihin mo sa kanya, oy, ayokong kinakausap mo yung ex mo. Tayong dalawa na lang mag-usap. O, mag-usap kayo ng mga bagay-bagay na tungkol sa inyong dalawa. O, mag-isip ka ng mga topic. Manood kayo ng, ng pelikula. Tapos, gumawa kayo ng reaction moment dun sa pelikula para meron kayong pag-usapan, di ba? You need to say what needs to be said. Okay? What needs to be said. Kailangan sabihin mo yon. Tell him you're not comfortable that he's still talking to his ex because nandyan ka naman na, di ba? He can talk to you about anything under the shy. He can talk to you anything under the sun. If he loves you enough, he will understand it. If you really love a person, you don't do things that you know will hurt the person you say that you love, right? So, i-communicate mo lang, sabihin mo lang na hindi ako komportabling kausap mo yan, 'di ba? Ngayon, kung hindi pa rin siya tumigil, then, well, the crazy side of me will tell you this. Find an ex-boyfriend and be text mates with him. O, di gawin mo rin kung anong ginagawa niya. If he reacts, ask him how it feels. Mahirap niyan kung dead ma rin naman siya. So, take the cue from there. He doesn't care about you and what you do. And he doesn't care about how you feel. Siguro kung bestie sila nung ex niya, pero por delikadesa rin naman. Kung hindi alam nung ex na nandyan ka na, maintindihan mo pa kung bakit nakikipag-usap si ex. Pero ito namang si boyfriend mo naman, parang ang sarap namang pitikin sa tenga, no? Kasi andyan ka na. Tapos feeling niya pa parang okay lang kasi sinasabi niya naman sa'yo, so parang less ang guilt niya or hindi ka mag-isip ng masama, di ba? Pero pamisa-misa siguro hi, hello, pero parang hindi maganda. Kasi nga, kung okay lang yan sa'yo, hindi ka mapupunta sa inbox ko. Okay, Miss Karen? Good luck and let me know kung anong nangyari.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.